Hey, welcome to We Build Stuff. I've got a yard behind me that's kind of steep. It's kind of a bit of a pain to walk up to. We plan on adding some gardens up there. I've already started with a couple rocks and make a small staircase out of stuff that we already have on our property instead of going out and buying paver stones. Using the rocks should give it a bit more of a natural look as well, a little bit more fun for the kind of aesthetic we're going. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit of learn by doing since I've never really done this before. This is my first time having some room to play. I'm going to start at the bottom, dig a hole for the first two to go into and make them level. Then do the next one. The problem is there's no rock that's the exact same. These aren't simple like paver stones. They're all uneven. Some of them are like 12 inches or 30 centimeters deep. So some are going to go deeper than others. We'll see what happens. Going to be for the stairs. Yep, that's okay. Okay, so those sit flat. I'm gonna fill in those little crevasses so that these things don't move. I'm not worried about packing with gravel and stuff. We're just gonna see how this works and we'll let it settle itself. Let's add some dirt. Okay, so that didn't take long at all. That was easily under 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna put in the next one here, and I've staggered them all the way up. Spend the next couple days doing this. My goal is to do a regular stair kind of rise here, so it's not too difficult, but not, you know, too easy for my kids to slide down with BMX, but well, they probably will one day. That's the knee buster right there. There we go. We have the first two steps. One step, two step. And I'm trying to make kind of a cool shape here. So when you're walking, it's nice. Today's video was brought to you by Advil Extra Strength Liquid Gels and Voltaren back and muscle pain. You know, for when people over 30 try to garden. So overall, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. I wasn't trying to make it look perfect. I like how things are a little bit uneven, so it looks like it was kind of grown in here. Not completely naturally, but it's kind of cool. Some are a little bit uneven. I learned a little bit from the bottom all to the top with packing different sand and rocks underneath, but everything's pretty stable. You can jump on it, nothing comes loose. Happy with how that's turned out. Thanks so much for watching. It has been 2 years since I filmed this video, and I'm finally releasing it because I forgot. I mean, it's because I needed to make sure that this staircase was actually strong enough to withstand walking for 2 years. I should probably look where I'm going. Now, as far as I know, or have tested, I have had maybe 2 stones come unturned. I think that's a phrase of something. All the grass and stuff, everything has settled. It's grown around it. I just raked some leaves off it so you can get a better look for the most part. But it is nice and sturdy. And this has made it so much nicer to walk up and down this little section of our yard to get to some of our garden projects. Leave any comments below. Not just, I would have done it this way, but hey, I want to try this. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe on anything that maybe you enjoyed during this video. Pass it on to somebody else who might be inspired to try this thing themselves. Hope you have a great day. Bye.